Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you two types of garlic chutney. And this is a very spicy and hot chutney, and that goes very well with any kind of Indian cuisine. So let's see how to make it. For this I'm going to take 25 cloves of peeled garlic, and if you find peeling garlic is a difficult job, then I have already shared a very unique and easy method to peel garlic, and that is a top ranking video on this channel, so go and check it out. Apart from that, few red chilies I am taking, and these red chilies are the raw one, these are not the dried one. Usually the quantity of garlic and the chili are same for this chutney, but in my family we don't eat that spicy, so I have reduced the quantity of chili. But if you like more spicier, then go ahead and add chili and garlic in the equal quantity. Apart from this, few dried red chili just to enhance the flavor, 1 inch of ginger, a big full spoon of tamarind pulp, 1 teaspoon of mango powder, and 1 tablespoon of curd, 1 tablespoon of jaggery powder, salt to taste. For sauteing, little bit cooking oil and few pinches of asafoetida powder. This is completely optional. So first of all, heat up a pan and add just half teaspoon of cooking oil, and we'll saute the garlic for around 1 minute on the medium flame. And once garlic is sauteed for 1 minute, we'll add chili and ginger too, and saute it for another 30 seconds and take it out in a bowl and mix all the ingredient except oil and asafoetida and grind it together well. Friends, if you like my videos, please give a thumbs up. Feel free to share this on your social media. Also give your feedback and suggestions in the comment section below. So friends, here is one way chutney is done. You can eat this right away. It tastes awesome and it stays fresh inside the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. And another way to make this chutney, saute it. So heat up a pan and add 1 to 2 tablespoon of cooking oil and add few pinches of asafoetida powder. Then add the chutney and saute it for next 2 minutes on medium flame. As you can see, chutney is not looking that red because number one, I have taken lesser number of chilies than garlic, and number two, the chilies I used, that was not completely red, that was a kind of orange what I found in the market. So to give this a nice color, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder. I always try to avoid artificial food color. I have already shared the recipe of beetroot powder on this channel, so if you want to make it, go ahead and check it out. So chutney started oozing out the oil from the sides of the pan, and even you can see a layer of the oil onto the top of the chutney. So this is done. Take it out, let it come on the room temperature and store it in an airtight container. Keep it inside the refrigerator and you can use this up to 2 to 3 weeks. It goes awesome with any kind of Indian cuisine, including dosa, idly, roti, rice, with everything. To get all the notification of my all the recipes and DIY videos, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye bye.